In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Cash App to your checking account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily link your bank account to Cash App and transfer any funds that you have on Cash App to that specific checking account. So first, you will have to link the account itself. To do this, from the home screen of Cash App, tap on your icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Immediately upon tapping on your profile icon, you will be redirected to another page where you can select from a variety of settings. One of those settings is going to be linked banks. It is inside of linked banks that you can see not only the bank accounts that you have linked to Cash App, but also any sort of debit or credit card. So tap this option and immediately you will see all of the related options to add new cards or bank accounts to Cash App. So choose the appropriate option to link a bank account, and usually you will see a list of financial institutions. All that you have to do in that menu is to choose the appropriate financial institution that you would like to link to Cash App. By choosing from any of the financial institutions linked in there, you will be redirected to another page where you can use your credentials to sign into your bank account. If you don't see that option or you don't find a specific financial institution, you can also add your bank using your debit card. So choose whichever option you prefer. And once this is done and you have linked the account properly, you will be able to start the process of transferring the money. So with the bank account properly listed under linked banks, go back to the home screen and tap on the Money tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen when you tap on your balance. And one of the options alongside Add Money is going to be Cash Out. So choose the Cash Out option, and as the name suggests, this will allow you to transfer money outside of Cash App. So by choosing Cash Out, you will be able to proceed and specify the amount. Usually they are going to give you the choice between an instant transfer, which has a small fee, or a standard one, which can take up to some business days. Choose whichever one you prefer, and then you should see the bank account that you linked under your linked banks. Confirm the transfer, and you will be able to receive the funds in there. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Cash App to your checking account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.